Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to customize the Lightbox title styling in the Divi Gallery module. Whether you're looking to match your brand or just enhance readability, adjusting the title's color, size, and weight can significantly improve the visual hierarchy and make your gallery more polished and accessible. We'll also make sure the changes apply correctly on the front end. Let's dive in. To customize the Lightbox title styling in the Divi Gallery module, you can use the Lightbox title font controls available in the Divi Gallery Booster plugin or within Divi Booster. These plugins offer an easy, no-code solution to adjust the title's color, size, and weight directly from the module settings. Once you've made your adjustments, you can check the results on the front end to ensure everything looks exactly as you want. For more information or to access these tools, please refer to the links provided in the accompanying post. To access the styling options for your Lightbox title in the Divi Gallery module, start by opening the module settings. Once you're there, navigate to the Design tab located at the top. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Lightbox Title. Click on this section to expand it, and you'll see all the customization options available for adjusting the appearance of your Lightbox title. These tools are where you can refine the look to better match your needs. To set the Lightbox title text size, locate the text size control within the Lightbox title section of your settings. Here you can either type 40 into the size field or use the slider to adjust the font size to 40 pixels. This adjustment will make your Lightbox title stand out more and be easier to read. To choose a custom title color for your Lightbox, navigate to the Lightbox title color option in your settings. Here, you can use the color picker to set a color that matches your brand. For example, if you want a vivid green, you can enter the hex code NAMDRB00AA0 and set the opacity to 100. This ensures that your image titles are both visually striking and aligned with your site's design. If you want your titles to really stand out, you can make them bold by adjusting the font weight. To do this, locate the Lightbox title font weight setting. Open the drop-down menu, and from the list, select the bold option, which corresponds to a weight of 700. This adjustment will give your titles more emphasis and enhance their visibility. Once you've completed customizing the Lightbox title styling, make sure to save your changes. After that, publish any updates to the page. This step ensures that your newly styled title will be visible to your visitors when they view your gallery. Now that your customizations are complete, it's time to preview and confirm the new Lightbox title styling. Head over to your gallery page on the front end. Click on one of your gallery images to open the Lightbox. Check the image title at the bottom of the overlay. It should display exactly as you set it, bold, bright green, and in a large font size. This step ensures your adjustments are appearing as intended for your visitors. Customizing your Divi Gallery Lightbox title is both quick and straightforward when using tools like Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster. With just a few adjustments to styling, you can seamlessly align the Lightbox titles with your site's branding, enhancing the overall aesthetics and creating a more professional and polished viewer experience.